Hey, welcome to my channel. Well, it's a beautiful sunny morning, a little bit cold, pretty chilly. It's below freezing here in Canada. And today we're going to do something different. We're going to take the Mavic Air and film me driving this here Traxxas Rustler 4x4 VXL at the fastest speed possible. And the pilot of the Mavic Air is, let's see if this Osmo follows me, right over here, right behind me. There's James, and his hands are frozen. Let's get this over more. There we go. His hands are frozen, so this should be pretty funny. I'm just going to whip this as fast as possible through the snow behind us. I'll put a GoPro on top so you get a perspective from the front, the back, and also the Mavic Air. So check this out. Drones and RC cars. I've always wanted this. Here we go. All right, James, you all set to go?
Oh, yeah.
All set to go? All right. Get the Mavic Air in the air, and I got the Traxxas ready to go. Watch it, whoa, James, holy crap. I was like watching that, then I just saw the drone coming.
I think we got some good shots here.
You almost got a drone in the head. All right, we just finished the video of the Rustler. I'm holding the mic in my hand because it's really cold and windy out here, and I have James behind me. We had the Mavic Air following the Rustler. The Rustler, I couldn't get it up to full speed because it's too light and the ground is too bumpy with those paddle tires on. It would just flip over every time I tried to get full speed, but we got it going pretty fast. James tried to follow me with the Mavic Air, and we had to put the Mavic Air in sport mode because it was not fast enough in normal mode to follow the Rustler. But when we put it in sport mode, James almost flew.
Well, we may have come close to our heads.
Yeah, he almost flew it into our heads. So we had to abort. That was not a good idea. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next video.